but that's going to be fun. So let's kick things off quickly. So today we're going to actually explore how to grow as an MSP. We have many problems growing our companies, get to different levels, and then how to unlock these potential. So let's see in the a little bit of the background, like what's the problem typically as an MSP. You might have account management. Even you are not a big company, don't have big account management team, but you have account management, you have vCIO, you have somebody responsible for technical account management. You are the owner, try to manage and lead this team, get sales done, and even cybersecurity. And what you can see is a ton of bottlenecks, like you as the owner, you can't restructure this account management, meaning these people are going to be less focused, right? Or on sales, how you get front of ideal customers. Or in cybersecurity, how you actually upgrade your clients to additional cybersecurity and explain them what the difference between the different type of cybersecurity offerings. So that's the big problem in general for the MSP community to actually have some type of sustainable growth. So I invited 6 people today for account management, vCIO, technical account management, owners, cybersecurity, and sales to show us how it can be done. So that's going to be a really interesting session today. This is basically coming because we had a new software release, which we basically focused on 3 different things. One was you, to give you a better experience as a talent. You have the talent to unlock, right? We have a software we can have, but the biggest additional value is the expert community. So those people who actually can help you to grow and help you to make things happen in your organization. So I would like to just really go into a couple of things in the software part. Many of you guys just started with the high-touch meeting software part we have for the reports and QBRs and strategy meetings. But you have to know that we have other software parts as well for complete account management suite with client engagement excellence score and accountability, service offering software with needs assessment and different type of functions to share it to your website and manage and build up your offering, and a complete business building software used by more than 1,000 MSPs all around the world, from C-level operation, IT Nation Evolve member from ConnectWise. So that's a big community using that sets of softwares. So we are going to focus on the first 2, 3 today. And we have a couple of new functions coming this week. And these are basically one sense we want to make sure that you have a better communication with your clients, because most of the issues you mentioned about your growth, the root problem is communication or lack of communication, lack of clarity on your security offering, lack of clarity on your vCIO offering, and these type of things. So we created many upgrades on the tool, creating sections on the report tool so you're able to manage better the different items. The questionnaire was coming back. You're able to collaborate, send questionnaires to your clients, even little scorecards, the big needs assessments. We can embed now calculators, so you're able to create different type of online calculators, giving more information and more interactivity with your clients. Snapshots are big use to show the progress of your solution stack or their goals and success. So that's another really great feature. Many new integration from Brigade, Warranty Master, and also Smileback, live reports, not just images. I'm going to show that with Miles. Infographics are big to cover conversations and make clarity and be able to use different topics with the client and just, you know, when you are in a meeting, make decisions faster and get ideas across quicker. Many more items like scorecards, getting information from them and showing what's happening. These are really the new features, which are new features, but what we want to make sure these features are going to help you to communicate, help you to get your ideas across, and help you to have these tough decisions with your clients and be able to control the meeting. The second part of the upgrades are most likely on the better execution and user experience for you. So we invested a ton of time and effort to figure out different type of dashboards. So complete dashboarding is available in your software now with client engagement scores, growth scores, and even standard adoption scores. So we're gonna go through that today, how to utilize those. The master roadmap portfolio, putting all your roadmaps together, and now you are able to see your cash flow forecast, you're able to see your utilization, you can slice and dice to different client segments and different clients and different attributes. Two-way synchronization with ConnectWise, that's a huge update. If you have a roadmap in our software, we can generate opportunities in your ConnectWise or projects in your ConnectWise or link it to existing projects and opportunities. And if you move and work with those opportunities and projects inside your PSA, we can track back the changes and it's going to update the report. So it's a true two-way integration with your projects and opportunities. That's really good stuff. Task library created for best practice adoption and lower scaled items, not like big projects just only, and multiple seniority factors can be managed. So that's a lot of stuff, but we are going to make that real for you today with the partners. So I would like to just show you, like I had this template with 10 partners. We have like 3 or 4 more partners who didn't make it today. We will have a conversation with Caleb today about security. So these guides are creating frameworks, education, course materials, templates, everything what you need to execute on those roles. If it's technical account management, Skip is the go-to guy with all the technology stack audits, best practice audits, how to make adoption, how to make a technical account management better. Adam is a rock star on the vCIO scene. He really gets a total new approach and a new vision to the MSP community with this type of high-level business type conversations and analysis and strategy creation. And we have Mark Waldman as well. Today, I hope he can make it. He really brings a ton of new ideas about sales and how to generate leads. So we are going to have these 4 guides here and Mice and Alyssa to show the different parts of the tool today. Anyhow, you can go and download materials from these people. We had interviews with them and many freebies you can have from those guys. Really a great community. So now let's start and see how actually these roles can help you to grow your business. So we are going to spend like 5-6 minutes for each section.